Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by making a reliable backup and disabling account locks so the reset can complete. First, back up to iCloud or to your computer via Finder. Check the backup date so you know you can restore if needed. Next, go to Settings, tap your name, and sign out of iCloud. Turn off Find My iPhone to remove activation lock. Finally, plug in power or ensure battery is above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi. Once done, proceed to Settings General. You are now erasing the device to make it like new. In Settings General, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, then erase all content and settings. You will be prompted for the device passcode and then your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. This prevents midway failures. Confirm the erase and let the process run. The phone will reboot and display the Apple logo. Make sure not to disconnect power or force shutdown while the device is erasing, because interruptions can corrupt the restore. After the erase completes, you will walk through the initial setup steps to finalize a new state iPhone. Choose language and Wi-Fi, then opt for setup as new iPhone if you want a clean device. Otherwise, select Restore from iCloud or Computer Backup. Re-enable security like Face ID and create a fresh passcode. If you encounter activation errors or the setup freezes, force restart the phone and reconnect to Wi-Fi. If problems persist, restore the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.